How to create data bins in Tableau in 3 easy steps. This free tutorial is brought to you by Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers and newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Today, you will learn how to create data bins in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. To follow along with this lesson, you need to connect to a source in Tableau and be familiar with the Tableau workspace. If you need help, please look at the recommended tutorials linked in the video notes. This lesson does not require a specific set of data, but in case you need a sample set of data, you can download it at get.tableau.courses/sample dataset. Creating data bins in Tableau is straightforward. Let's do it together. After connecting to a source, Tableau brings you inside a worksheet. On the left side, Tableau displays all the fields within your source and organizes them as dimensions and measures. From measures, you can create data bins. Tableau saves them as new calculated fields. You can create data bins in 3 easy steps. First, choose a measure, sales. Right-click, select Create, and click on Bins. Assign a name and specify the size of the bin. You can use Tableau suggestion or specify something that makes sense for your analysis or audience. Let's set it to $50. Lastly, click OK, and you are ready to use the bins in your visualization. Histograms are great for visualizing the numbers of records within your bins. You can build this visualization in 3 easy steps. First, drag sales bin in the columns. Then, add Tableau's records count to the rows. Lastly, polish the chart by fitting the view to the chart. Removing unuseful labels. Renaming the y-axis. And adding the currency sign to the bins. Congratulations! You are now able to create data bins in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.